These overhyped travel tips are all over social media, and honestly, most of them are pure garbage. Welcome back to Journeys of Peace. When planning a trip, it's easy to get lost in the hype. But are those viral travel hacks actually worth it? Or are they just clickbait wrapped in the word free? Spoiler, it's usually clickbait. Like this one, carry on only or bust. I've watched travelers melt down at the gate because of this cult-level obsession with tiny bags. If your entire trip is riding on how well you can roll your socks, maybe the hack is the problem. Then there's the bra wire myth. An influencer swore TSA agents are on high alert for underwire bras. I've been through federal courthouses, military bases, and the Secret Service. Metal detectors didn't even blink. TSA doesn't care about your bra, Lori. Now, would I get on a plane wearing a steel-boned corset? No, because I don't want to sit like a 19th century debutante for 6 hours. Same goes for chunky jewelry and sequins. Save that for when you want to be that lady who, knows everything. But the wildest one. Someone said TSA now requires a prescription for over-the-counter meds like Advil or Benadryl. What? No, they don't. You can't just dump pills in a Ziploc bag like a sketchy cartel sample pack that can be swallowed. But if they're in a bottle or pill organizer, you're fine. Did I mention not to listen to Lori? Also, who flies with a baby without Tylenol or Benadryl? Madness. Let's talk about the classics. Pack light. Great advice. Until you're camping in the wilderness or stuck in a small town with 0 shopping options. Sometimes a little extra gear is a lifesaver. Exchange currency at the airport. Nope, you'll get ripped off faster than you can say tourist trap. ATMs often have better rates, and some banks charge no international fees. Blend in with locals. Sure, be respectful, but stressing about looking like a local? You're probably not fooling anyone. Just don't act like a jerk and you're good. And travel insurance? It's not always the golden ticket influencers make it out to be. Some policies have so many loopholes, they're basically Swiss cheese. Funny enough, airlines often sell better coverage for less when you buy your ticket. Plus, their apps can alert you to stuff like bad weather. Or in my case, it being really hot in southern Spain and this news bit. Thunderstorms in Spain actually happen on the Camino de Santiago, not the plains. So, to recap, don't blindly follow these overhyped tips. Packing too light, exchanging cash at airports, obsessing over blending in, and buying overpriced travel insurance. Do your research, trust your gut, and for the love of airports everywhere, stop putting your meds in Ziplocs. What's the dumbest travel tip you've ever tried? Drop it in the comments. And if you want real travel advice, no hacks, no hype, check out my next video. Thanks for watching.